Esteemed scholars, welcome back. Let us now take a final example on initial equation. But I'm not going to forget to thank you for liking our videos, for sharing and reposting them, and indeed I'm indebted for your subscription. Let's keep them coming. They are deeply appreciated. Let's take this final example. If 2 raised to power 1 minus n times 2 raised to power n minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power n plus 2 is equal to 8 raised to power 2 minus 3n, find n. This is a typical equation involving indices. Although we don't have a single mathematical term on the left hand side, it's possible to simplify everything on the left to make it a single mathematical term. We already have a single mathematical term on the right. So all we need to do is to simplify the left to achieve a single mathematical term. Let us do it in what now follows. First, what we have there is saying 2 raised to power 1 minus n times 2 raised to power n minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power n plus 2 equal to, now you can see that the bases on this left hand side are 2. So let's make the base on the right hand side 2 also. So we replace 8, which is a perfect cube, with 2 raised to power 3. That will now multiply the original power of 8, which is a binomial 2 minus 3n. And so first, let us apply first law of indices to this. That will give us 2 raised to power 1 minus n plus, because time changes to plus, n minus 1. Then we have divided by 2 raised to power n plus 2. Everything equals to 2. Open up that bracket. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times minus 3n minus 9. So we simplify this place to get 1 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, plus n minus n divided by 2 raised to power n plus 2 equal to 2 raised to power 6 minus 9. That will give us 2 raised to power 1 minus 1, 0, plus n minus n, 0, divided by 2 raised to power n plus 2 equal to 2 raised to power 6 minus 9. Here will be 2 raised to power 0, while 0 plus 0 is 0, divided by 2 raised to power n plus 2 equals to 2 raised to power 6 minus 9. Let us further simplify the left hand side using the second law of indices. That will give us 2 raised to power 0. And I know you will say division changes to minus or subtraction. That is right. Bracket opens n plus 2. Why this bracket? Why the bracket? Because n plus 2 is a binomial. And this negative sign will affect both numbers in the binomial. This is equal to 2 raised to power 6 minus 9. So, if we simplify the left hand side, we are going to have 2 raised to power 0 minus times n minus times plus 2 minus 2 equal to 2 raised to power 6 minus 9. This will give us 2, 0 minus n, then minus 2 equals to 2 raised to power 6 minus 9. Now this is a proper initial equation. This is a proper equation involving indices. The bases are the same, so we equate the indices. We come here and say equate indices because the bases are equal as follows. That will give us minus n minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 9n. This is arithmetic. So basically collect like terms. Minus n plus 9n will give us 6 plus 2. What has happened? Minus 9n has crossed over to the left hand side, so the negative sign will change to positive. Minus 2 has crossed over to the right hand side, the negative will change to positive. Minus n plus 9n is same as saying 9n minus n. Of course, 6 plus 2 is 8. 9n minus 1n, that's 8n, equal to 8. So we are looking for n, not 8n. As it is now, we have the answer to 8n. The answer to 8n is 8. But we are looking for the answer to n. So we use the coefficient of n, 8, to divide both sides. That will give us 8n over 8 is equal to 8 over 8. Of course, on the left hand side, 8 will cancel 8, leaving us with n. This is 8, please. And then here, 8 divided by 8 will give us 1. Therefore, n is equal to 1 is the solution to that initial equation. I'll give you, esteemed scholars, one speed work that you would use to determine the extent to which you have grasped this concept of initial equations. It's not going to be difficult. On the contrary, it's going to be very easy. And here is the question. So, 1 over 5 raised to power s, power y rather, is equal to 25 raised to power 3 plus y. I will be waiting for your attempt in the comment section. With this, we have come to the end of indices, having looked at the 7 laws and the full concept of initial equations, be able to attempt it. Don't forget to continue to like our videos. Don't forget to continue to repost or share them. And we would really appreciate your subscription to our channel. We are going to come your way again with more impactful video. Until then, please continue to stay safe, continue to take your studies seriously. Thank you.